You're watching how Leap. Let's send and unsend a doodle drawing in an Instagram chat. To send a doodle, open the Instagram direct messages and select a chat. Tap the camera icon to the left of the text box to open the camera view. Instead of taking a photo, swipe up on the camera view or tap the drawing icon, which looks like a squiggly line or pen tip. This opens the drawing canvas. Use your finger to draw your doodle. You can change colors and brush size with the tools at the bottom. Tap the send arrow when finished. To unsend the doodle, find the drawing in the chat thread. Press and hold on the drawing bubble. A menu will pop up. Tap unsend. Confirm by tapping unsend again. The doodle will be removed from the chat for everyone. You can only unsend messages you have sent. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.